this application, then we start to think, maybe narrative is going to be there, descriptive is going to be there, and so on and so on. So think about that. Yeah, if you starting point is narrative first, then you find the digital, you're going to have a boring class. Think about that. Yeah, next part. Kalau orang bisnis pinter, Google Map tracker, you can track somebody, you have a Google Map, then they run a business. Taxi, what's the biggest taxi company in the world? Uber. Do they have taxi? No. A big taxi company in the world, but they don't have a taxi. So the way of thinking is different. The way they generate money is different. The way the business is different. The society is changing. Itu yang harus diingat. Anak-anak akan menghadapi hal-hal seperti itu. Ya, next part. This is the Uber, Gojek, GoFood, Go banyak sekarang Go yang lain. Go yang terakhir saya nggak mau ngomong. Kemarin sudah dimarahin saya. Next part. Hotels, the biggest hotel in the world, Airbnb. Airbnb, do they have a room? No, they don't have room. But that's the biggest. If you have a spare room, spare couch or sofa, you can put it in Airbnb. I'm serious. You can earn money on that. Airbnb, Pak. Next, yeah. So you can rent your room. Ada seorang ibu guru namanya Ibu Badriah dari Cianjur. She got a spare room and then put it in the Airbnb. Got a regular customer from Europe. Practice her English. The family now practicing English every weekend. Rumahnya Cianjur. Nothing special about Cianjur, tapi laris manis. Terus dia bilang, pay as you wish. Artinya 500.000 sehari ya dia terima. Ngasih 1 juta juga alhamdulillah. Ngasih 2 juta syukur gitu kan. Jadi terserah. Karena tujuan dia is not for money. She want to improve her English. She wants to, the family wants to have somebody else to practice about culture and so on and so on. So think about that. If you have spare room, dicoba saja. Ada persyaratannya, everything is in English. No need to do, like if you want to be a Uber driver, you got a car and then you can register that. Next one. Publisher, I've discussed about that quickly. This will disappear, will be replaced by, next one, Lulu.com or Nulis.com. Nulisbuku.com. You can become your own publisher. Why don't you ask your student to do it? Yang lagi jatuh cinta itu kan kalau nulis puisi banyak. Ya, kenapa nggak suruh jualan sendiri di nulisbuku.com? Nggak bayar kok, gratis kok. Ya. So you can do that. Kalau agak keren ya Lulu. Ini untuk guru matematik, namanya scimath.com atau Photomath. Do you know Photomath? Yes, ada yang tahu beberapa. Download it, take a picture of the mathematics, then there is a step, then the result. Guru matematik ngajar apa? Ngajar ngambil foto. Oh, you can go to www.scimath.com. Any problem you put in there is a step, explanation, maybe short, maybe long, then you will get the answer. Jadi kalau ngajarin matematik anak-anak 10 nanti nilainya, ya. Nah, so that's the revolution. So teaching mathematics is teaching logic. For centuries, it was done just using numbers, gitu kan? Terus sekarang numbers given to a machine, then we have to start thinking of other way teaching logic to our students. Think about that. Ya, nanti tanya guru matematik, kalau muridku pintar semua 10 terus, maybe they know this application. Next one. IM yang punya Instagram, angkat tangan. Ya, pindahlah ke IM. Bisa dijual soalnya fotonya. Saya punya sekarang mungkin $200 gara-gara kecelakaan. Serius, kecelakaan saya naruh di situ di IM, dan I have cak kangkung atas meja, toge, ikan asin, tak foto gitu kan. Terus tiba-tiba ada orang email, email, somebody wants to buy your photo, this one and this one, will give you $20. $10 for me, $10 for me, $10 for you. Are you okay with that deal? And he said, yes, deal. Terus tak cuekin. Aku sudah bilang deal, cuekin. Terus I got your money, where should I transfer it? Terus, oh serius tuh ini, gitu kan? Tapi terus bingung lagi, terus transfer kemana? Terus I talk to my son say PayPal. Apa lagi ini? Bingung lagi kan? PayPal. Papa udah bikinin lah PayPalnya. Terus dia bikinin segala macam, transfer utamanya itu PayPal. Terus dia yang pakai untuk beli game, beli macam-macam pakai PayPal. Tapi aku nggak mau diakalin kan? Dan I'm thinking maybe I can transfer this money. Then I can transfer my money from PayPal into my BCA. Yang BNI belum bisa, yang BCA bisa. Jadi bisa dipakai. Cepet-cepetan aja sama anak. So whenever I go places right now, I take picture of food and they just upload it there. They got approved. They put in a special collection. I do nothing. I got the money. Boleh dicoba. Kalau itu nggak laku berarti fotonya jelek. Ya. Assistant. Anyone familiar with Siri? Siri? Yeah. This is Assistant Lite and Android. So you can download it, you can talk to your assistant, ask your assistant. Kalau setting alarm untuk bangun pagi gimana? Alarmnya gitu, ya itu ajaran Singosari. Kalau ajaran yang modern enggak, kalau anakku enggak akan bilang gitu. Just say, wake me up tomorrow at 7, setting the alarm, that's it. I have a meeting tomorrow at 9, dia yang ingetin. We have a very smart assistant, actually. Smarter than the user. Yeah, so assistant and Siri. Yeah, Siri is for iOS. Yang punya iPhone ada di Siri, dihidupkan saja. Next one. Yeah, interpreter. You can use this to teach English atau use any language, tidak hanya bahasa Inggris. Untuk belajar apa saja bisa. Ya, interpreter ada yang spoken. Yang spoken masih kurang terlalu baik, because I think it's new, it's getting better and better. Ada yang model diketik dulu, and then you got the translation. My son learning Korean without a teacher, just with his mobile before he went to Korea. Di Korea sendirian, nggak ada yang antar, pulang juga masih utuh gitu. Nggak terlalu kurus juga, meaning that he speak Korean and to buy things there just using his mobile. Ya. Dan lama-lama guru bahasa Inggris nggak laku juga. Untuk les-lesan yang begitu pasti guru bahasa Inggris masih diperlukan, guru bahasa yang lain diperlukan, but not for teleconferencing like this. They can use mobile. Think about that. We are thinking of next 5 years. Next one. iTunes Radio. You can listen to internet radio from around the globe. Mau bahasa Jepang, mau bahasa Mandarin, mau bahasa apapun. Search by location, terus kita klik Shanghai, ya sudah bahasanya Mandarin pasti, atau bahasa Cina lokal dan seterusnya. Ya, it's global. Kalau kangen Salatiga, ya ada GG Link, ada radio-radio Salatiga sudah masuk di internet semua. Hampir semua radio di Indonesia. Cuman kadang-kadang error, or not available, masalah network lah. Ya, masalah network, tapi ada. Ya, so it's good for listening. Then I'm thinking of, do we need language lab? Think about that. So, redefining the purpose of listening dan seterusnya. Karena language lab itu kan nipu ya kayaknya. Kita ngajar emang di language lab. Enggak kan, kita nemenin mereka dengerin. Mereka nggak ngerti terus kita menjelaskan. Setelah kita jelaskan terus dia listeningnya bagus? Enggak juga. Dia ngerti penjelasan kita, tapi listeningnya tetap aja nggak ngerti gitu kan. So think about that. Manas-manasin doang, next Pak. Sebelum aku nakal. TED, it's a good resource. There are others, but I use a lot of TEDs for teaching purposes. Then you can combine later on with other software. Nanti ada video yang online, bisa dikasih pertanyaan, baru melanjutkan kayak add puzzles dan segala macam. Nanti ada kalau nggak salah di salah satu planner. Jadi akan ada banyak hal, bit and pieces there, yang nanti bisa memberikan gambaran agak luas gitu. Next one. So, if you're comfortable with today education, you are not paying attention. You are too busy with K13. Next one. Next one. Ya, ini cerita Naya. This story was told by Vinita. Naya contohnya got a business. She produce everything online, Instagram, YouTube, and so on. Even her parents not aware about her activities.
She start become a businesswoman start from the young age. Next one. Yeah, if you look at YouTube, there is 242 viewers. 242,000 viewers. My viewers for my YouTube maybe 6, 7, or 10. Temanku nggak ada yang nonton. Kalau teman dia kan semua YouTuber ya. Itu kan kalau aku yang taruh di YouTube, Pak Made nggak akan nonton, Pak Toar kalau nggak tajam nggak nonton gitu kan. Ya, different generation anyway. So in YouTube they try to sell her product, the market is different. Terus barangnya nggak murah. Next Pak. Yeah. 425,000 barang-barangnya dan start her own business on that. Next Pak. So they are YouTubers getting online daily life. Yeah, start running business start from a younger age. That's the profile of today's students. On the next 5 years students. Next one. Yeah. So the DNA is digital. Digital inside their blood. Merangkak-rangkak baru lahir yang diambil handphone bapaknya, 2 tahun yang dipecahin, dirusak, dijatuhin iPad ibunya gitu kan. Kalau zaman aku lain lagi. Yeah. So they can play with that. Next, that's their DNA. Yeah, this is a very quick of the characteristic millennials and Gen Z. Jadi yang 80-an sama 90-an. Ya, 80-an to screen. Kalau Gen Z kasih 5, kasih 6 screens, that's okay. Ya, terbiasa dengan itu. Communicate with text. Anak-anak communicate with image. Snapchat tuh nggak ada teks-teksnya, gambar